the ultimate guide to the best Google Calendar strategies. There are many things on your mind when you look at your calendar. You want to make sure that all of the meetings and deadlines don't get missed. You need to plan out what time is best for different people for different events, and more. But with all of these tasks on your plate, it can be hard to remember where everything is supposed to go. In this article, we'll tell you about Google Calendar's strategies that will help make organizing all of your events a breeze. Set up categories to stay organized. Different events require different types of organization. With the help of Google Calendar, you can create labels and separate them into various categories which will keep you more organized. For example, if a meeting that is set up for Monday always runs late, it's a good idea to create a label for late started meetings and then make sure that this category shows in the right sidebar of your calendar. If this happens enough times, why choose a Google Calendar? Google Calendar helps people manage their busy schedules. It is a web-based calendar that provides tools to help users easily plan and organize their days. There are many free available calendars on the Google Calendar website, but you can also create your own online calendar. You can even edit the calendar's information and features, or add events to it. How can I share my Google Calendar? If you use your Google Calendar to manage your schedule and want an easy way to share it with friends, family or colleagues, there are several ways you can do so. You can either send someone an email with a link to the calendar or print out a copy of the calendar for them. To print out the calendar, go to Google Calendar. Select Print. The benefits of a Google Calendar. Google Calendar is an online calendar that you can use to organize your time. It's easy to use, and it provides tons of features. You can download a free version of their calendar or upgrade to the premium version for $5.99/month. The main benefit of using Google Calendar is that it's easy to keep track of your time and schedule everything out so that you don't forget anything important. Most of the best Google apps are free to use, but if you do want to pay for them, you can purchase them with a monthly subscription. Free online calendar tools. While Google Calendar is great for organizing your time, it's not necessary if you already have an online calendar tool. Online tools are useful to plan out your schedule and keep track of things that need to be done. There are many online calendar services like Outlook Calendar or Google Calendar Zeiss. With these online tools, when to use a Google Calendar. Google Calendars are convenient and can be used for work, study, and personal time. There are many different types of calendars that people can use to keep their schedule straight. One calendar that is a great option is the Google Calendar. Using the Google Calendar allows people to easily see what is going on at any given time. Google Calendars are also a great way to plan out activities with friends or family members. People can create calendars on their computers that they use to schedule their time. Google also makes it easy for people to share their calendars with other people so they can see when the other person is available. If you are looking for a way to stay organized and want to keep track of your schedule, then this article is perfect for you. You will learn about several different types of calendars that you can use in your daily life as well as how these different calendars can help you stay organized. How long should your tweets be? We all know that tweeting is a great way to increase engagement and stand out from the rest. However, we sometimes don't realize how long our tweets can be. There are different length guidelines for different platforms like Twitter and Instagram, but why should we follow these rules? Tweets with more than 140 characters can be difficult to read as new lines start to get cut off. Also, it's never good when a one-liner takes up whole page space on your profile because it's hard to tell what the post is about. Helpful resources and tools. Google Calendar is one of the most popular online and offline calendars. It's free, easy to use, and has a ton of features that make it a favorite for many people. However, there are some ways to improve your Google Calendar experience. For example, you can download a copy of your calendar to your phone or computer so that you have access in case you don't have internet access. You can also sign up for notifications so that when an event has been changed or cancelled, alerts will be sent to your phone. Conclusion. Google Calendar helps people to keep track of their important events and appointments. It helps them plan how much time they should spend on certain tasks. It can help to make sure that events take place at the best times, and it can even help with prioritizing tasks. There are many different strategies for using this tool that will help people be more productive.